All right, well, it's finally dried up enough, and today we're gonna plant some beets. And this is where we have the dove field where we planted wheat, topsowed wheat, the dove hunt. And the wheat actually did really good, but I already had the bush hog hooked up, so I noticed strip right down through here. And I'm gonna hook the disc up, and then we're gonna go ahead and disc it up and plant some beets. So it's 1st of March here in North Carolina, so we're right in about middle to late planting time to get the beets in, because it's just been so wet we haven't really been able to do a whole lot of anything. So let's go get this thing hooked up. All right, well, this is my tractor. It's Ford 8N or 1949, and it used to be my great grandpa's, so got a little sentimental value there. It's an old Ford disc, and I've got it in neutral underneath all this, so that way I can grab the tire and kind of roll it. A lot of people use stabilizer bars, and if you disc, because it'll pull the tractor to one side or the other. So, well, I'm gonna put the camera down and get this one hooked up, and I'm gonna do the same over there. Alright, got both sides slid on there. I'm just gonna take the pins, make sure they're good and secure, keep it flying off. Most of them that I've used on this tractor, adjust that. And you get to going, the back of the disc wants to raise up. So what I do is, this is the top one, push on the back of the disc, pull this down. And just adjust it kind of the length, it slides in. Clip in, and then now what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn this out, and I'm going to put pressure down on the back of the disc. Go ahead and adjust it out now. And what I'll do is I'll get going and just kind of see how it's going in the ground. And if it's going in the ground good, I'll leave it. If the back's still not at least halfway in the ground, what I'm going to do is adjust it out some more. Let's get going. This is the lever that controls the lift. Push that down, this drops down. So as you can see, the back is sitting pretty level. That's what you want. So we're going to put it in second gear. And roll. As you can see, it's been digging too deep. It's been too wet this year to plow. So what I'm going to do now, I thought it would just dig in a little deeper because it's pretty wet, but it's not. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tighten this top link up, and that's going to put all the pressure on the front disc. That's going to put the whole weight of the disc on the front disc, and this front disc pretty much tear in a whole lot deeper, and it will rip it up. And I'll probably go over it once or twice like that, and then I'll adjust it back out where it's running evenly. Pretty much with this one, I know I'm going to tighten it up all the way, as tight as it'll go. So I've made a couple passes on it, double disted, which is pretty much where you go over one straight and you only go over half of the distance of your disc's width. It's called double disking, and that kind of helps it even out. So it clumped up a little bit, but it did not stick to the plow or the disc, so that means it's not too wet. If it sticks to your disc, just stop, because you're never going to get it to pretty much break up. So I'm going to go ahead now, and I'm going to loosen my disc back up, or my top link, and I'm going to get it set back so that the back side goes in the ground. And we're gonna double disc it probably 2 more times. And that should have it good and smooth and broke up. Alright, so went over it 2 more times, and it's still a little bit clumpy. So what I'm gonna do, you gotta be careful doing this because you can overheat your tractor. What you're gonna do, you're gonna put it in 3rd gear, full throttle, and you're gonna set your disc down until you hear your motor start bogging down a little bit. When you hear it start bogging down a little, you're gonna lift it up just a little. You're gonna pretty much set your disc down about 5 inches, 4 inches into the dirt. And all those clumps on top, that's gonna break them up really good. So let's go ahead and do it. Got your disc up, the tires are pretty much barely touching the ground. So when you pop the clutch, the tires come up off the ground, you try to turn, they slide when you're going fast. So you're gonna turn right, you're gonna hit your right brake. Pull it right over. So you gotta practice a little bit because when you're going fast, you gotta do it quick. Got it all disced up, now we're gonna hook up the drag here. Smooth that off. Oops. It goes the same way. Undo the clip, slide them off. Alright, we got it all disced up. Got the drag here hooked up. This is one I made years ago. And the teeth on the drag are going to take all the clumps. It's going to help bring them up to the top. So, and it's also going to take all the disc marks out that you got in there. And it busted up pretty good. Not quite as good as I was hoping. But all the rain got to make hay while the sun shines. So, what we're going to do is we're going to put this thing in 3rd gear, full throttle, and we're just going to run it over the top real quick, and that's going to bring all the clumps up. We're going to do it pretty fast. That'll help to stir the dirt, loosen it up, and smooth it out, bring all the clumps up to the top. It pretty much has wheels that run through and bust the clocks up. And what we're going to do is we're going to put our seed in fertilizer, and then we're going to run this over. So we're going to go hook it up to the tractor. Got my bar on here, and put the top link off. So now no top link because we don't need that for the bar. And you can use stabilizers with this, but I'm not going to fool putting them on. Hook this up and go ahead and throw our seed. I've got a little hand seeder here, and these are our beet seeds. Detroit truck, and put these in here. And I've got another pack. I'm going to see how far this goes. Probably already disced up. So. Grab that, another pack in here. I'm going to open this thing up just a little. I'd rather go over it twice than spread too much and run out. So, go ahead and get that going. And I'm going to put probably half bag 10-10-10 on there. just gonna spread it before a disc, and so I don't want to put too much because if you put too much, you're burning the seeds when they're down. So probably half a bag on what we do. As you can see, it definitely really leveled it out, brought all the clots up to the top. And we've got my beet seed here, and I'm gonna just walk back and forth, do one pass, I'm gonna do the other one. And I just want to use one of these little hand seeders because the big seeders, unless you plant the whole lot, you're just gonna dump it and it's be hard to get it everywhere. We got our seeds all sown and threw a little fertilizer out, and now we're gonna run the cultivator over it. And we're just going to go fast on it, probably first, second gear. And we just want to kind of break up the clots and pretty much pack the ground just a little bit, keep the moisture in so the seeds are in there. So let's do it. Tractor tire showed a little bit. I normally use the full loader to do it, but a little bit too much time consuming today trying to get this done in a hurry. So, but it looks good. And we'll come around and do tractor tracks in it really matter. So once it starts coming up, I'll put some photos up on this here. Face Hunt and Cook and Thinker at Instagram. So appreciate you watching. Hope you learned something. Hope it helped you out. And please subscribe.